Hello everyone, so welcome back to our channel again. So in the last video we have learned how to install jQuery in the Angular application, but we faced some of the issues while installing the jQuery, and later we found our bootstrap pop-up and drop-down were not working. So what exactly the problem you can face? Okay, so let's focus on that. The error, what exactly error you can get if you are not aware of the version of jQuery you are installing in your Angular application. So you may face that issue. So the solution is because that jQuery version 3.5.1 is having some issues with compatibility issue to the bootstrap, so you need to install this specific version. I will be entering this detail on the description part, but just to be aware, like you need to install this version 3.4.1. okay, yes. And one more issue I'd like to tell you: whenever you are giving the reference of the jQuery library, so you need to have that reference at the first before you are giving the bootstrap.min.js library reference. Okay, otherwise you may face the issue like this, where it says bootstrap javascript require jQuery must be included before the bootstrap javascript. So I just want to highlight these kind of issue you may face, so better to have the solution ready. So okay guys, so that's all for this video. Thank you.